Hi everybody, Ebeez here and welcome to today's video. So today's video is titled Get the Fuck Off of Windows. You might think easier said than done. Those of you that know me will know over the past couple of months I've been very happily using Windows 11 IoT on my main gaming PC. This is my secondary PC. It's identical to my main gaming PC in every possible way, except for two components. It's got a different motherboard and it's got a different graphics card. The motherboard is a BioStar B450. It's an AM4 platform, and the graphics card is an AMD Radeon RX 580 8GB, a cheap Chinese variant. Whereas in the main gaming PC I've got a genuine Nvidia RTX 3050 8GB. Now you might be wondering why I'm making this video. Well, if you're currently a Windows 10, Windows 11 user and you're fed up of all the shenanigans and you want a genuine Windows replacement, and you have an all AMD PC, that means an AMD CPU and an AMD GPU, then this video could be for you. The operating system I recommend you get would be ZorinsOS18 Core. It's 100% free of charge, and it's what I am actually rocking here, and this is what you can see being used. The reason I 100% heartily recommend it is because it's probably the perfect user's operating system. It's very similar to Windows in the way it looks and feel. You can customize the absolute backside out of it as much as you possibly want. It's your choice, and you can also find instant comfort and familiarity in the operating system itself. Now it's built and based on Ubuntu 24.04 long-term support, and what that means in English is the operating system, once installed, is fully supported until May of 2029, so you can install it and forget it. Now, because it's on a Ubuntu base, it's got fantastic hardware compatibility. So if you have an all AMD PC, then there's very little to do other than to install and update the operating system. Let's have a look at some of the benefits as described by the ZorinOS website itself. So make your computer faster, easier, more powerful, more secure, all completely factually correct. Can't argue with it. This is a 100% free operating system for the masses, and I'm not sure what the latest count is, but last time I checked it had got over 2 million downloads worldwide, and that's just ZorinOS 18. Over 2 million people can't be wrong. Now, there are a lot of other Linux operating systems out there that you can choose and feel free, but my 100% recommendation for you, if you have an all AMD CPU, is give ZorinOS a try. It's very easy to download, set up and install. Simplicity itself, and it's very compatible with most all AMD PCs. Now this PC that this ZorinOS is running on is from 2021, so it's 5 years old, so it's absolutely perfect for running Zorin. If you've got a PC that's older than that, again this operating system is absolutely perfect for you. And once downloaded, installed and set up, you will find that your PC experience returns to what it was the very first time you ran Windows. You've got pretty much compatibility and access to everything. It's 100% free, it's 100% yours, and it's 100% customizable, so you can make it look, feel and operate the way you want it to. Unlike Microsoft Windows, it's not full of AI slop, although you can introduce AI into your system quite easily without it taking over. Of course you can. Also, it's not full of telemetry, key logging, screenshotting, data gathering, and the list goes on. It's not full of dodgy updates that will automatically reboot your PC when you're in the middle of doing something and then go ahead and brick it. Just saying. Now, ZorinOS, as I say, is 100% free of charge, built and based on Ubuntu. It's slick, it's modern, it's full of cool looking special effects that you don't need a £5,000 PC to be able to run, activate and enjoy. It doesn't matter what the desktop manager is, it doesn't matter what the theme is, it doesn't matter about any of that, because you can make it all your own with a few mouse clicks. You don't need to be a Linux guru, you don't need to even use the terminal. So good is ZorinOS. So if you're still on Windows 10 or Windows 11 like I was, and you're tired of all the shenanigans that Microsoft is throwing at you, ZorinsOS18 Core, I can 100% heartily recommend it for average, everyday, run-of-the-mill, ho-hum computer users. And if you have an old computer, don't ditch it, don't dump it, put Zorin on it, and it will transform your computing experience. In the next video, I'll do a full install of ZorinsOS 18 into VirtualBox and show you a couple of the steps that I take to make this operating system absolutely fly on a budget entry-level gaming PC. If any of you have any questions, please post them under the video. Thanks for watching, thank you for supporting the channel. Please rate, comment and subscribe, or follow, depending on whether you're watching this on YouTube or Rumble. And I will see you for another wicked Broken Ebeez video.